Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ariff bin BASHA, and together with my team members, Muhammad WAFIYYULLAH bin SHAHRIN and Muhammad FAIZ bin ROSLAN, will be presenting our software requirements specification for a system we developed called the car rental system. This presentation is part of our BITP2213 software engineering project for the 24 and 25 session. We hope this presentation will give you a clear understanding of the system structure, features and requirements. Let's begin.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad WAFIYYULLAH bin SHAHRIN, metric number B032310532. Product perspective. Our car rental system is a web-based platform that is designed to streamline the car rental process for both our customers and the administrator. It is built to automate key operation, making the renting a car efficient and user-friendly. The system integrates a few of several subsystems. This includes user management for handling customers and admin account, vehicle inventory to manage available car, booking system for reservation, reporting and analytics to track performance and usage. This platform is designed to be scalable, ensuring it can handle growing demand while maintaining the seamless experience. Next is product function. The systems offer a range of functions tailored to its users. First is the user management. Customers and admin can register and log in securely. Customers can also manage their profile, update personal details, and view their booking history. Next is the vehicle management. Administrator can add, update, or remove vehicles from the inventory and track their availability in real time. Next is the booking system. Customer can search and filter vehicle by type, price, or availability, and reserve a car for a specific date. Next is the payment processing. The system supports secure online payment through integrated gateway and generating invoice and receipts. Last but not least is the reporting and analytics. Admin can generate detailed reports on bookings, revenues, and vehicle utilizations to support business decisions. These functions ensure a smooth and efficient experience for all users. Next, I would like to go to the user characteristics. The system serves three main user types, each with a distinct role. First is the customers. These are the end users who rent vehicles. They can browse available cars, make bookings, pay online, and view their booking history. The interface is designed to be intuitive for users with basic skills. Next is the administrator. Admin have full system access to manage vehicle inventory, monitor bookings, and generate reports. They require moderate technical knowledge to handle this task effectively. Next is system. The system itself handles automated tasks like monitoring security, maintaining routes, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Each of the users interact with the system based on their specific needs and permission. Operating environment. Let's talk about the technical environment required for the system. First is the hardware. The server needs at least 4 GB of RAM and 100 GB of storage to handle the operation. On the client side, users only need a modern web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or even Edge. Software. The front end is built with HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript using frameworks like React.js or Vue.js for a dynamic user experience. The backend uses PHP or Python with frameworks like Django or Flask for robust processing. The database is powered by MySQL or PostgreSQL for reliable data management. The system runs on Windows or Linux systems. This will ensure the system is accessible and perform well across different platforms. The general constraint. To ensure reliability and compatibility, the system has a few constraints. First is the security. All data transmission is encrypted using HTTPS to protect the user information. Next is the compatibility. The system supports only modern web browsers with no support for outdated browsers like Internet Explorers. This is to ensure the optimal performance. Last but not least is the scalability. It is designed to handle up to 10,000 concurrent users, making it suitable for large-scale operations. This constraint helps maintain a secure, efficient, and scalable platform.
Now I will explain the external interface requirement of the character system. This part outlines how user, hardware, software, and communication technologies will interact with the system. First, the user interface. The system provides a login screen for both customers and administrators, where users enter their email and password. A forgot password option is also available for account recovery. Once logged in, customer will see a dashboard showing the available vehicles, booking history, and quick access to book or cancel a rental. Administrators will access an admin panel where they can perform CRUD operation, meaning they can create, read, update, and delete vehicles users and booking records. The interface is designed to be simple, responsive, and user-friendly for both desktop and mobile users. Hardware interface. The system supports touch input for user accessing the system on the tablet or kiosk, and it can also integrate with barcode scanners, which will help speed up the check-in and check-out process for physical vehicles handovers. This ensures a smooth hardware interaction for front desk operation or self-service terminals. Software interface. Our system will integrate with Strut API version 3 for secure online payment processing. MySQL 8.0 as the main database system to store all user, booking, and vehicle data. This component allow the system to handle transaction and data management reliably and efficiently. And lastly, the communication interface. The system will use SMTP protocol for sending booking confirmation and notification via email. It also connects with the Twilio API to send the SMS alerts to customers, such as reminders, updates, and confirmation. This communication feature help keep user informed and improve the overall customer experience.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MOHAMAD ROSLAN. I will now be presenting the functional requirements for customer, admin and system, performance requirements and safety and security requirement section for our project. Let's begin with the functional requirement. Let's start the functional requirement for customer, the primary user of the system. Customer will be able to create an account through user-friendly registration form, log in secretly using their email or username and password, browse available vehicle with detailed filter for type, price and availability, make booking by reserving a selected vehicle for a specific duration, cancel existing booking prior to the rental start time, giving user flexibility, view their booking history including past and active reservation, update their profile information such as contact detail and password. This feature empower customers with a smooth self-service experience that is both convenient and efficient. Now let's look at the functional requirement for the administration and the system component. Administrators are responsible for maintaining the system integrity and ensuring smooth operation. Their functions include managing vehicle leasing. They can add, update, or deleting car entries, viewing all bookings, include active, pending, and complete reservation, managing user account, including the ability to edit or disable user, configuring rental policies such as pricing, term of service, and usage restriction. Meanwhile, the system itself performs automated tasks behind the scene that include process payment through the third-party gateway like Stripe or PayPal, prevent double booking by looking availability once a vehicle is reserved, generate report for booking revenue and system activity. This role ensure that while user interact with a smooth front end, the backend remain organized, efficient, and intelligent. And now for performance requirement. Performance is the heart of any good digital system, and our is no exception. Here the performance standard defined for our group rental system. All core options such as login, browsing, booking, and payment must be complete within 5 seconds during the normal use. The system must support at least 100 concurrent users without any drop in performance. Critical process such as payment confirmation and booking approval must be complete within 10 seconds. At a 99.9% uptime is expected monthly excluding scheduled maintenance. The system must be scalable so it can grow alongside increased traffic and data without slowing down. Report generation and data queries must be complete in 3 seconds or less even when handing up to 10,000 records. Together the performance target ensure reliability, speed and scalability critical for a system user can trust. And next is safety and security requirements. Let's talk about one of most critical elements, safety and security. Given the system handle personal data and financial transaction, robust protection is non-negotiable. The following security measures are enforced. Authentication is required for all users with multi-factor authentication (MFA) applied to administrator. Access is controlled using a role-based access control (RBAC), ensuring users only see where they are allowed to. All sensitive data is encrypted. Payment handling follow PCI DSS standard, and now raw credit card data is stored on the system. Audit log capture all action such as login, booking, and account change with accurate timestamp. Instruction detection systems are in place to alert administrator of suspicious activity like failed login or privilege escalation. The system performs automated daily backup with a guarantee a restore within 1 hour in case of failure and a maximum of 24 hours of data loss. To prevent session hijacking, user session expire automatically after 10 minutes of inactive. Altogether, this control makes the car rental system a secure, compliant, and trustworthy platform for all users. That concludes my part of presentation, covering how the system empower customers, support administrators, perform efficiently, and stay secure. Thank you.
Now, starting with the data flow diagram. This level 0 overview shows the main processes and data interaction. We have 3 key entities: the customer, the administrator, the car database. The customer send payment and receive booking confirmation, while the administrator manage vehicles, user bookings, and generate reports. The car rental system itself acts as the central hub, processing this input, auto-checking availability, validating session, and generating reports. All this data flows into and out of the car database, ensuring the system remains updated and functional. This diagram gives us a high-level view of how the data move through the system. Now, let's move to the use case diagram, which outlines the specific action user can perform. We have 2 main actors, the customer and the administrator, along with the system itself. For customer, the use case include creating an account, logging in, browsing vehicles, making or cancelling bookings, viewing booking history, updating their profile, and managing vehicles. The administrator has additional details responsibilities, managing users, configuring policies, viewing all bookings, and receiving notification. The system also handles processing payments. This use case map out the full range of interaction, showing how each other engage with the system to meet their needs. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.